Imagine this, a vast, infinite expanse, billions of galaxies, trillions of stars, and in the midst of all that, Earth, a single, fragile blue dot. We often think of the universe as something far, far away, beyond our reach, beyond our understanding. But in reality, it's closer and more awe-inspiring than we can ever comprehend. Today, we're diving into the top 10 mind-blowing facts about the universe. I guarantee by the end, you'll see the cosmos in a whole new light. Buckle up, this is a journey you won't want to miss. Let's start big, really big. Did you know that the observable universe is a staggering 93 billion light-years across? That means if you traveled at the speed of light, it would take you 93 billion years to cross it. And here's the kicker, we're only seeing a portion of it. What lies beyond our observable reach is unknown, maybe even stranger than we can imagine. Are there more universes? Or is it just empty? Mind-blowing, right? And here's a funny thought. If aliens are watching us from the other side, their view of the universe might be completely different. Makes you wonder who's doing the observing, and who's being observed. Here's something that sounds like science fiction but isn't. The universe is expanding faster than the speed of light. Yes, faster than light. It's as if the universe is trying to outrun itself, like a track race with no finish line. Just imagine if your homework or work projects could finish themselves that quickly. But here's the twist. Because of this rapid expansion, entire galaxies are moving out of view, and in billions of years, future civilizations might look up and see nothing. It's almost like the universe is playing a cosmic disappearing act. But why? What's out there that we'll never get to see? Now let's zoom in. Take our Milky Way Galaxy, huge, right? But it's just one of about 100 billion galaxies in the observable universe. Wrap your mind around that 100 billion swirling islands of stars, planets, black holes, and who knows what else. If you thought finding love in a big city was hard, imagine the odds of finding intelligent life in 100 billion galaxies. With so many galaxies out there, it raises the question, are we really alone? Or are we just one among countless civilizations, all trying to understand their place in this cosmic sea? This next fact will mess with your perception. Roughly 85% of the universe is dark matter, an invisible force that doesn't emit, absorb, or reflect light. It's literally invisible and undetectable, except through the gravitational effects it has on visible matter. Think of it like a cosmic puppet master. We're only seeing the puppets, but the strings, they're hidden. So, what exactly is dark matter? Could it be hiding secrets that might change everything we know? It's eerie, isn't it? Knowing that most of the universe is made up of something we'll likely never understand. And yet, it's pulling the cosmic strings. Now, get ready for something that sounds straight out of a sci-fi movie. Neutron stars, the remnants of massive stars that have exploded, are so incredibly dense that a single teaspoon of neutron star material would weigh around 1 billion tons. Yes, you heard that right. Imagine trying to lift a teaspoon that weighs as much as a mountain. Might need a gym membership, or 10. But here's the mind bender. If neutron stars are so dense, what else might be possible out there? Could there be materials we haven't even dreamed of yet? Or maybe entire worlds operating under completely different rules of physics? We've all heard about black holes, right? They're the terrifying cosmic monsters that swallow everything in their path. But here's the truly chilling part. Black holes don't just pull things in. They actually warp space and time around them. Imagine standing at the edge of a black hole. Time would slow to a crawl, while the rest of the universe whizzes by. Step a little too close, and you might find yourself frozen in time, forever. Who's brave enough to get close? What might we discover at the event horizon? Or better yet, would we ever get back to tell the story? Despite its age, 13.8 billion years, the universe is still giving birth to stars. Think of it as a 90-year-old suddenly deciding to run a marathon, and winning. So, what does that mean for us? As the universe continues to evolve, new stars, and maybe even new planets and galaxies, are forming as we speak. Imagine the possibilities. Could one of those stars harbor a future Earth-like world? Is there another planet out there just waiting to be discovered by future explorers? This next fact might make you feel small. There's a massive structure in the universe known as the Great Wall, an unimaginably large cluster of galaxies stretching over 500 million light-years across. That's almost 5,000 times the length of our own Milky Way. It's like finding out your neighborhood is just a tiny section of a massive metropolis you didn't even know existed. Makes our galaxy seem cozy, doesn't it? But here's a question: what purpose could such a massive structure serve? Is it a natural formation, or could something else be at play? Here's where things get really wild. Some scientists believe our universe might be just one in an infinite multiverse. Imagine parallel worlds where different versions of you are living completely different lives. Ever wonder what you'd be like in another universe? Maybe you're an astronaut, or even a completely different species. The possibilities are endless and terrifying. So, are we just one small bubble in a sea of universes? And if so, what lies beyond even that? It's the ultimate cliffhanger.